What's up, y'all? We're going to talk about my favorite things about the Apple Watch. I'm going to start off with notifications, especially text messages and reminders. I love not having to pull my phone out of my pocket, especially when I'm driving. If I get a notification, I can just look at my wrist real quick. I don't have to reach for my phone. I can check it and then respond to whatever it is or do whatever I have to do later. Shoot, one time I left my phone behind and I wouldn't even have known I left it behind for a little bit if my watch didn't notify me like, yo, your phone is left behind. Another feature that I really didn't think I would care about, but I like the heart monitor, man. I like being able to check my stuff. And shoot, sometime when I get worked up over something, it'll notify me like, all right, your heart beating a lot harder than normal right now. It's real cheesy, but I actually ended up liking that feature. I love that I can control my media. I can pause, play, fast forward tracks, rewind tracks. I can answer and reject phone calls. I also use my watch at the store when I want to pay for things. All right, I want to show you guys paying for something with the Apple Watch. So all I gotta do is press that twice, and then I scan it. That's it. I don't even need my wallet. Shoot, sometimes I don't even gotta take my wallet at all. I just pull my watch out and pay for things, except for Walmart, which I don't understand why Walmart doesn't have Apple Pay yet. Another thing that I really like that helps me a lot at work is when my phone is tied up and I'm using Apple Maps, I'll just go to my watch. It's already on my watch. I don't have to do no extra steps. If I'm running Apple Maps for directions to go somewhere, it's already on my watch. So if I have to do something on my phone, I can just look at my wrist and the directions is right there. It also gives you like a little vibration on your wrist when it's time to make a turn. Even though that little vibration might make you freak out a little bit because it vibrates kind of hard. So it's like, wait, did I do something? Or is a phone call coming through? But it's just telling you that you need to turn. And last but not least, let's talk about the durability. I work a warehouse job. I'm in the yard. I'm working with windshields. I'm banging my watch on everything. And this mainly goes for the Apple Watch Ultra. I don't have a single blemish on this watch after 2 years. I don't know how, but I don't have a single blemish, and I have banged this thing up on everything. But that's all I got, man. Just a few things that I really like about the watch. I'm out.